Claude is great at coding and text, but what if you could give it a state-of-art image generation ability with just a single link? I'm talking about how you can connect your Nano Banana 2 directly inside your workspace, and it would take you just a few minutes. So let me show you the exact steps. First things first, this isn't going to work in your Claude website. Right now, I'm using Claude application. So this is where we are at, but I'm going to switch to the code tab, and in here is where we will be figuring out and configuring a Nano Banana 2. Now, to achieve this, we will be using a custom skill connector from a specific GitHub repository. So to add that, click on this customize button, and in here click on this skills option. Now click on this add button where you can create new skills using any of these three options. Now what we are going to do is use create with Claude option because that's the most easiest way to create your skills. This will open up a chat, and make sure that you are using the local configuration itself and you're not on a cloud or SSH connection might work. Now, in our chat, we'll be adding the specific skill repository which you can find over here. This is the repository that we'll be using. So I'm going to copy this link. And now for my prompt, I'm using just a simple prompt, which is this. And that's about it. I'm going to send this over. Now Claude will ask you to run a few commands to fetch the details from the repository like the readme file, skill files, etc. So you'll have to give all the permissions. Here, as you can see, Claude is now writing a skill.md file, which I'm going to allow. It basically took the content of our repository and made the skill. Now it has given us a few instructions, which are these right here, and these are the steps that we need to follow in order for the skill to work. First off, we need to install Gemini CLI, then set our API key and install the extension. So you can either go ahead, follow all these steps, or let Claude do that. All you have to do is do the second step, which is to set your API key, for which first off, let's start by getting our API keys. Simply head over to Google AI Studio, and in here click on this get API key button, and then you can simply go ahead, copy any of your API keys. If you don't have any, maybe you can create one by clicking on here, naming your key, selecting the project, and that's it. You can then copy the API key. Also, a quick note that Nano Banana 2 is available only on the paid tier of API, so you might need a subscription, or what you can do is, if you haven't already used Google Cloud, you can sign up for that, which will give you about $300 credit of Google Cloud as well as other Google tools. So once you have your API key back in your chat, you'll have to ask Claude to configure the API key and do rest of the step. I mean, it's not recommended to actually give the AI your API keys or something like that, but this might cause issues because I've tried doing it before and it raised a few errors which were time consuming. So I would suggest that you simply give your API key to your bot and let it handle it. And as you can see that Claude is doing all the work, running all and configuring out as well as installing necessary libraries and extensions. And that's it. Our skill is now configured, ready to use. So to test it out, I'm going to be opening another one of new session, and in here I'm simply adding a simple prompt. So here's the prompt, and I'm going to send this, and there we go. It's asking me to use the skill which I've allowed. Okay, so it has done executing and it's given me an image which is saved right in our working directory. So let me show it to you. This is the image that has been generated using Nano Banana 2, and it is literally so accurate because here's what an image of the same castle looks like on Google search or something like that, and I asked it to add some effect which was added just perfectly. So that's basically how you can use Nano Banana 2 or any image generation model by the help of skill connector and custom skill GitHub repository. All you have to do is configure them, write in your Claude code, and you're all set to go. So that's it. Go ahead, try it out, and comment down if you found this useful.